Hello everyone, and welcome to our journey towards a greener, more sustainable future. Today, we're going to explore the 7R's of sustainable living, principles that can guide us towards a lifestyle that is not only eco-friendly, but also enriching for our communities and planet. The first R is reduce. It's about minimizing our consumption and living more simply. By consciously reducing what we use and buy, we can decrease waste and our environmental footprint. Next up is reuse. Instead of disposing of items after one use, let's find ways to give them new life. Whether it's repurposing containers, donating clothes, or repairing old electronics, reusing helps us make the most of what we have. Recycling is the third R, and while it's important, it's not the ultimate solution. We need to focus on reducing and reusing first. But when recycling is necessary, let's do it properly to conserve resources and reduce pollution. Repair is the fourth R, and it's about valuing our possessions enough to fix them when they break instead of immediately replacing them. Repairing not only saves money, but also prevents more waste from ending up in landfills. The fifth R is refuse. Sometimes the best way to reduce waste is to refuse it in the first place. Say no to single-use plastics, unnecessary packaging, and disposable items whenever possible. Rethink is the sixth R, urging us to reconsider our habits, choices, and the systems around us. Let's question consumerism, advocate for sustainable practices, and imagine new ways of living that prioritize people and the planet. Last but not least, we have respect. Respect for nature, for future generations, and for each other. Let's cultivate a mindset of stewardship and empathy as we strive to create a world where all beings can thrive. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the 7R's of sustainable living. By embracing these principles, we can all play a part in building a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves and generations to come. Remember, every small action counts. Let's make them count together.